Perfect for families and keen bakers, this dual fuel range cooker from Flavel offers 165 litres of cooking capacity across the main and second ovens and the separate grill. Enamel interiors are featured across all the cavities of this cooker. Since they're easy to clean, you can save time and energy in the kitchen, spending more time cooking and enjoying your food and less time cleaning up afterwards. The two ovens utilise fan heating, which distributes heat evenly throughout the cavities, so you can cook different food at once without flavour transfers. Ideal for roast dinners, plus the fully variable grill provides an additional 28 litres of cooking space, which is perfect for adding a crispy finish to your roast potatoes. The AA energy rating makes this range cooker super energy efficient. And since you can cook more in one go, you can prepare delicious meals without spending lots on your utility bills. Also featuring a 5-burner gas hob with durable enamel pan supports, this Flavel dual fuel range cooker looks great in the kitchen and offers style and practicality in one package.